How to read WhatsApp deleted messages. Want to learn how to read WhatsApp deleted messages but not sure how? We are here to help. Continue watching this video to find out how. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to read WhatsApp deleted messages. Before we begin, you will have to enable notification history on your Android phone. To do so, watch the video linked in the description down below. Now that you have enabled notification history, here's how to read WhatsApp deleted messages. 1. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. 2. Then navigate to the Notifications tab. 3. Next, tap Notification History. If a WhatsApp message is deleted, you will see the notification here. And that's it! That's how to see deleted WhatsApp messages on Android. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified as we put out great new tech tutorials like this on a regular basis.